How to Build a Canoe with Josh Pickles. This is Josh, and today he wants to partake in a classic summer activity, canoeing. But he doesn't have a canoe, so he has decided to build one of his own. But first, he'll need a beer. Josh will need to find some wood to start his canoe. No, Josh, that tree is too small and is still alive. Perhaps a felled tree will be better. There you go. Building a canoe takes a lot of effort and carpentry skills there, Josh. Hitting it won't help. Nor will a spoon. I guess he's given up on that. And another beer. What do you have there? I don't think a plastic bin will work as a canoe. And he's fallen over. Goodness. What's this? Did you procure a canoe? It's time to paddle. Oh, hello. It seems that canoe belongs to someone else. It is best not to steal boats, Josh. Oh dear. Another beer then. Good night.